look what we got here. Yes, a quick video. We've just got this hot off the press from Hornby. And also, it's got a nice sound chip in from my friends at Digitrains in Lincolnshire. And this is so new. Digitrains themselves only put this on their channel this week, and I contacted them and they very kindly supplied me one. So we're going to put the sound on, and we're going to get it going around. Now let's get this shunter on the road, shall we? Now this particular shunter is the new one from Hornby, which is the model of the Phantom 08604, which resides at the Didcot Railway Centre near Didcot. And the sound chip is the Digitrains' own sound scheme, which they have now adapted for the 00 sized shunters. Now, of course, you could put a Hornby TX sound thing in this thing, but I've always preferred Digitrains. My friends at Digitrains, I've done a lot of business with them, and they always deliver and never have any problems as such. In the unlikely event of a problem, they will always sort it out for me. Anyway, that's the thing running now. Let's go change of direction. And see it come back the other way. So you can hear all the correct sound effects are in there. If you need a shunter for your layout, I always think the Hornby shunters are the best. I know some people favour the Bachmann ones, but I think detail-wise and proportion-wise, especially the motion rods on the side are particularly well detailed. That's just my own personal thing. Anyway, I would like to give a shout out to Dave G at Digitrains for getting this to me in good time. Yeah, funny story, there was another parcel sent out at the same time from Yorkshire for me, and for some bizarre reason it reached Norwich Parcels Depot, and then they redirected it to Derwent's of all places, for no good reason that I can fathom. So what was in the box that is missing at the moment, somewhere in the postal system, was actually supposed to be a second subject for this video. But of course now, that's not going to happen, not until the blooming box turns up. So anyway, so for the meantime, we've just got the 08 channel, which I'm sure Wales Rail Photography will be really happy about, because like me, he really does like an 08 shunter. And I must say, 08's my two favourite locomotives are the 08 shunters, because they're like workhorses that have gotten everywhere and are still going strong after 60 odd years. my other favourite, of course, is the Class 37, of which I have a couple. Which again is something I thoroughly enjoy. Oh, there we go. I think my camera works a bit shaky today. Anyway, I shall bring that to a halt. Oops. Put the camera again. There we are, we'll stop in there in the station. And as you can see, it's a rather handsome looking thing. I haven't changed the couplings yet. I'm going to put some hunt couplings on it. The colour's showing a little bit more blue on this video. In real life, the blue on here is a perfect match for the British Royal blue. But you can't really, looks a bit too blue on this video, but I think that's a peculiarity of my camera. So I'm shooting this on the what you call, as you can see, it's creeping along. It's creeping along at a really ultra slow speed, and you know, that's partly down to the fact that Digitrains have got a new way of fitting a very small stay alive capacitor, which will actually fit within the body shell's bonnet rather than being hacked about and put into the cab. And while we're on the subject, Bugsy has come to join us, come to photo bombers again. He loves to get in on these things. Anyway, all I've got to do now is find out why it's still creeping. Oh right, it's because it's still set at 9. Yeah. There we go, I'll switch the sound off. Anyway, as you can see, it's a lovely little thing. As I say, this is literally just out from Hornby. Oh, excuse me. And Digitrains sound set up for this is very good, as you heard. It goes along beautifully. Anyway, that's it for the moment. I shall come back to you with some other video shorts over the next couple of days, and show you some of the other stuff I've been working on. I've been doing mostly locos and rolling stock because the weather's been too hot in here to work on the track work. I will, however, be starting an experiment in ballasting, because I've got to try out a new ballast adhesive. So I'll probably make a video about that as well soon. Anyway, shout out to Wells Rail. He enjoys who eats like I do, so he'll be quite happy with this. Anyway, I shall catch you all later on. Tally-ho.